Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to be making the bee pop-up card. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So we're going to need an assortment of paper, mainly yellow, black and white for the bee, some card to stick it on, some extra bits of paper for embellishments, and then of course scissors, glue stick, something to trace, and and add the details, and a black pen actually, that as well. So let's move these across and start with making our circles. I'm going to make 3 yellow ones and 2 black ones. So I'm going to use my tin, turn it upside down. Any circle will do, just depends on what size you want to make it. I'm going to then use this first circle as my template and cut out several in one go. Oh, bit of dust. Now what we need to do is take our circles and fold them all in half. Add glue to one side. And take a black one and place it on top. Add some more glue and repeat. That's your bee's body finished. Now we want a bee's head and some little legs. So this is a little bit I saved earlier from cutting out. Just cut a semicircle, any size that you wish. Face, but we do need some wings and some eyes. Once you're happy with your final bee, which I think I am, you get your card and we're going to assemble it all together. Let's have a look how we want to have it all on our card. You kind of just play around a little bit, see what you like. You can have it a bit lower if you want. You can have the wings sticking up. Just play around a little bit with positioning. You can have this lower, you can have it higher. Just see. And then you don't have to use all the flowers, but see how it works. And I think this is looking quite good. So I'm quite happy to stick this down. So first I'm going to stick down my face. Okay, happy with your bee? Now what you need to do is fold it over and make sure that this crease is in the same place so that you can then all glue it down onto the card and your wing will open up as well. So that has to be even. So you want this straight line to line here. So I'm now going to put glue on both sides. Maybe put a little bit of glue here. So start off with this side. Get it all lined up. And then a bit more glue. And then carefully close it. Open it up and your basic pop-up bee card is finished. Isn't that cute? I'm so happy with that. Yes, and then you just have fun adding flowers, as many or as few as you like. I'm going to put a few in. Let's have a look how they all look. So these are just flowers that I drew on coloured paper with a pen and then cut out roughly. So you don't even have to cut them out in great detail for them to look nice. So you can see that, you can still see the edges of my drawings. And I quite like that look. Also, look how I'm sticking them on so that they come off the edge. Just means I can then trim it off and make it fit super neatly. Maybe put a leaf on. Let me put the smaller one. You know, if you make extra and you don't end up using it, it's really not a problem. Look, I think she's eyeing up this pretty flower. Oh look, maybe we'll use this as well, seeing as we've got it. A bit more glue. And then, as we've got these flowers but there's no place, I'm going to stick them on the front. Always nice to have something on the front as well. Or you can draw a picture on the front, or you can also add to the front a nice message like happy birthday or don't worry, be happy. And then when you open it up, you see your little bee. Or you can put your messages in here. And really you just have to think about what kind of puns you can use, what kind of messages you can write. Be mine for Valentine's, happy birthday, you are the bee's knees. That's a nice British expression. And there you go. Really sweet and super easy pop-up bee card that you can make. Now if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.